Hello, welcome to my channel Harry Barrel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add the dollar sign in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Here you can see my month and sales, and in sales value, we want dollar sign. So how can we do it? Simply we will select the range and then go to right click. I will make it smaller. Select the range, right click, and you will see here format cells. You will see here format cells. Just click here and then you will see a dialog box. So here it's in general. We will go to currency, and in currency we can choose any symbol, which symbol we want. So for now we want decimal. So if you want any other symbol, you can add by just drop down here and you can add here. So you can do in Swedish, upper, Western, Russian, Thai, which dollar, which symbol you want. So for now I want it's dollar, and the decimal will be my 0. I'll keep here, or some 1. I'll put only 1. And you can see the example is showing here. This example will be same as the showing here. I'll just click it OK, and you can see 1 decimal is showing and the dollar sign is already inserted. So in this way you can insert dollar sign. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.